What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Free Friday. Subscribe today. So, today, I thought I would talk to you guys about an old subject, the Minor Pentatonic Scale. I was just working with a student, and I was going through my videos at the end of the lesson to give him some more stuff, and I was looking for this video, which doesn't exist. So now it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the Minor Pentatonic Scale in second position and what we can do with it. See, that's what we're going to get into today. I didn't even play the whole scale. I left out one note. So before we begin, let's take a look at the whole scale. 2 draw, 3 bend, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow for the octave. Let's hear the whole thing up and down in quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? One beat per note, just like that. Here we go. Back down. Up. Back down. By the way, we are grooving on Quist's backing track. What's it called? It's called Jazz Funk Backing Track in G minor. Let's tuck this hair in. All right, there we go. That's better. So just up and down, quarter notes. Back down. Now, if you're just learning it, you could try holding them for longer, like whole notes. 4 beats per note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 2 beats per note. Again. And then back down. That's the scale. Little improv in there, little improv. All right. So here's what I want to get into. Here's the video that doesn't exist. That was just review of other videos I got. Let's take a look at the bottom section. I call it the lower incomplete minor pentatonic scale. 2 draw, 2 double bend, 1 draw, 1 blow. That's just down. Here's just up. Now in the second octave, we already learned this when we learned the first one, but let's take a look at those same notes. 1 blow is the same as 4 blow. It's an octave above. 1 draw is the same as 4 draw. 2 double bend is the same as 5. 5 draw. And 2 draw is the same as 6 blow. So I can do this. I doing? I'm just taking, let's just start with one note. One note from the low octave, 2 draw, and one note from the top octave. Let's just do that. So I'm just changing up the rhythmic variations, right? So now let me give myself 2 notes, 2 double bend and 2 draw, and the same 2 notes from the second octave, 5 draw and 6 blow. Down bottom. Now let me give myself 3 notes. 2 draw, 2 double bend, 1 draw. It's gonna be the same thing as 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw. Now let me speed it up a little bit. One more time. That's backwards. Okay. Right. Now give myself 4 notes. Yeah. Crazy, right? So check it out. That's just the 4 notes that I learned on the bottom. The same 4 notes on the top. Just trying to do the same thing I did down bottom, trying to be able to do that up top, or vice versa. The same thing I can do up top, try to do that down bottom. What if I connect them with the missing note? let's put a little amp to it. That's it. That's a little demo. Minor pentatonic scale. Learn what you learn down bottom, move it up to the top, connect them with the 3. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors, in one way or another, also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs, you can get your name put on it just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war Marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by 2 brothers who really, really care. Hohner Harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner harmonica. I like the Marine band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible, incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. Met a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.